I got it!
I got it!
I wish I could fly.
I wish you could fly too.
We'll figure something out. I'm kinda puffed.
Samesies. Let's catch our breath so we can catch the kite.
Great minds think alike.
Kia ora, guys. I'm Jason Gunn.
Kia ora, ko Kiwi ahau, and this is Neru.
Hey!
Hi.
You guys haven't seen a kite flying around here somewhere?
Is it fiddle?
Oh, ma is white, fiddle is red. Yeah, it's red.
We have seen it. Walk this way. Sorry for the weird walking, Jace. Neru and I like to do a silly stroll every now and then.
It keeps our adventures fresh.
Don't you worry. I love a silly walk.
Your kite seems pretty special to you, Jace.
Well, it's actually a manu aute. Some people call them manu tukutuku. I made it to celebrate Matariki.
We are literally on a Matariki adventure as we speak.
Yeah, we've already learnt about 8 of the 9 stars. No biggie.
And we've gathered a whole lot of Matariki party kai that we will definitely figure out how to cook. Eventually.
Well, I think Ururangi is making a game of stealing my kite.
Ururangi.
If you look up at the stars of Matariki, you can see Ururangi. It's connected to the winds.
That one tickles.
I like how it ruffles my fur.
I like how it connects heaven and earth through my manu aute. If only I could find it.
I got it!
I got it!
Wait up!
The winds cleanse your spirit and guide you home.
I wish we could catch that manu aute for you, Jace. It would really round out our Matariki haerenga.
It sure would. Leave it with me, Kiwi. And Jace.
Kites play an important role in ahurea Māori.
Oh yeah, they're super fun. Plus, they're flown in winter to celebrate the beginning of the Māori New Year.
Matariki.
That's right. And you can use them to send messages to the heavens and to people who are far away.
Matariki seems to have a lot to do with connecting people.
It sure does. Oh, hey, speaking of people, where's your cat friend?
Oh, there she is, running towards that perilously high ridge. Neru! Neru! Are you okay?
I got it. And I totally wasn't scared. Okay, actually, that's not true. I was completely petrified. Wow. I really have faced my fears tonight. Haven't I, Kiwi?
We've faced your fears tonight. Together.
I'm glad you're okay. I thought we were going to have a real cliffhanger on our hands.
Here's your manu aute, Jason.
Bravery like that deserves a reward.
Wow. Well, thanks, Jace.
Would you like to come to our huinga matariki? Our matariki party? There will be heaps of yummy koi.
Yes, please.
Well, once we figure out how to cook it.
Are you having a hangi? Count me in! Woohoo!
We are now.